What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 7 real work from home jobs that pay $100 per day or more. To find out all the details here, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to share with you here today 7 real work from home jobs that you can get started with as long as you have more or less an internet connection and any kind of a computer and or a mobile device there as well. Now what you need to do here is pay attention. I'm going to share a few tips and ideas and tricks here regarding these sites. So make sure you don't skip on anything here because you might miss out on anything that is important. So watch the whole video here so you get the most out of these opportunities here. Also, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see these 7 real work from home jobs that pay $100 per day or more. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we can apply for is to become a virtual assistant. One of the sites here I'm showing you right now is remote.co, and you can apply here for any kind of remote jobs. All right, so I just came here. You can do a search, of course, if you have any specific skills. I don't know your skills there, but you can see here virtual assistant, writing is one, healthcare, for example, marketing, and so on there. Lot of opportunities inside here, so go to remote.co. There is another site very popular also, which is flexjobs.com. You can go in here and you can see you can search with a full-time, part-time, job category, and you can see that there is for customer service, for example, 217 jobs available here. So you just go inside and check out the details. Some are worldwide, some are only located in specific countries they want you to. So do your research here. And we have another one which is also one of my favorite sites. It's virtual assistant jobs. You go to the job section and you can search with the category. Pretty much the same here also. You can search for flexible, full-time and so on. I just typed data entry, flexible and full-time, and you can see that it found 265 matching records. A lot of opportunities here. Look at this, for example, executive assistants that pay you up to $49,000 per year here. Okay, it's not bad at all. We have here virtual travel coordinators up to 40,000 per year. So a lot of opportunities. Just go here and get started to do your search here or research. Let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to do some micro tasks. We can actually do a lot of other things also. MTurk, Amazon's Mechanical Turk here. You go to mturk.com, you go to the section where it says learn more, and you can see here you can make money in your spare time. You get paid for completing simple tasks here. So simple tasks can be anything as tagging objects, for example, helping companies here select the best picture, audit user, classifying and identify objects found in satellite imagery and so on here. It's a great way, has a lot of opportunities inside here. Just go to Amazon Mechanical Turk, you go to mturk.com here, you sign up and you get started with whatever you feel that you can do actually, more or less. So the next site I'm going to share with you, pretty similar also, is clickworker.com. And Clickworker, you can see here, they always look for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys or search and categorize data for us. So they do have a lot of different tasks here. You work more or less as a freelance on this site here. You decide, of course, how much you want to work. And all you need is a computer, mobile device, and with an internet connection, of course. You can see here text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, and so on there. So there is actually one site I wanted to share here also that you can do some micro tasks, doesn't require any specific skills at all. I mean, if you just see here, for voting on a YouTube video, you get 10 cents here. Follow someone on Twitter, 12 cents. This is not much, but it takes you actually less than a minute to do this kind of task. So if you do get started to do a lot of these tasks, you can end up earning pretty good amount of money actually with Rapid Workers here. So that is a good tip also to get started with. Very easy, it doesn't require any specific skills actually. Okay, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to become a web search evaluator, or actually a social media evaluator also. Now Appen is the most popular site for do this kind of job, but they do have also a lot of other opportunities. So I do recommend you actually to go to this site. If you see here, they do have experience working in 130 plus countries and 180 plus languages. Now this is a worldwide company, has a lot of jobs here, okay? What you need to do is go to the section where it says jobs here, and you can see that you can actually do a lot of other things here also. A good example would be a rater, language jobs, micro tasks. They do have micro tasks here also, and of course corporate jobs. So I just went to corporate jobs. I typed here Greece remote, okay, which is available, and you can see social media evaluator and web search evaluator. And that is companies, they won't help actually to see if they rank for specific keywords, so they tell you to see, or if their ads are shown in Facebook and so on. So that is what you do as a social media evaluator, for example. Have a look at the details here for yourself, see what you can apply for and get started with it. Alright, the next opportunity is to become a transcriber. This doesn't require also anything that is hard to do. I mean, you just need a good pair of headphones and get started typing actually. Scribie.com is the site that we're having a look right here now. And you go to the section where it says transcribers. And you can see here that you can earn anything from $5 up to $25 per audio hour here, okay, for transcription. But you do need, of course, to sign up for a few more sites. You can't just wait for Scribie.com. And Rev.com is definitely one of the most popular sites there. You go to the bottom where it says freelancers, and you will arrive to this site here. And you can see that you can earn up to 90 cents per audio video minute here. And of course, if you are a captioner, which is more or less the same as being a transcriptionist, you watch the video here and you get started to type, and you need to sync, of course, the typed audio and so on there. So you can earn up to 75 cents per audio video minute. And if you happen to know a foreign language, then you can see that you can earn much more. You can earn anywhere from $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute here. So this is a great site, and I'm actually going to share with you here soon some other sites that you can apply for as a transcriptionist or a captionist also. So I hope you like what you see so far. Make sure to smash that like button if you do so. Let's move on to another opportunity, and that is writing. Now, writing can actually be like a proofreader. It doesn't have to be only that you write articles, but you can be a proofreader, editing. So keep that in mind as well. One of the sites that is popular is iWriter.com. Of course, it is good if you can write articles and you're interested in that, you can apply here. And another site is Textbroker. You need to go to the section here to get an idea where it says payment. I'm right here right now, so I hit the accept there. But what I wanted to share with you is this here. If you are a good writer, let's say for example that you get started with as a 4-star writer, for 1,000 words article you can earn $14. But if you are really good and you have an expertise in something and you are a 5-star writer, you can say that you can earn $50 per 1,000 words article. Okay, so it's not bad at all. But as I said, don't limit yourself for only writing articles, press releases, or whatever you like to write, but it can be proofreading, editing, and so on there. Let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to teach online. I'm going to share with you two different ways here. The first one is to create an online course. It's super easy to do this. I have done two to these days. I have Audio Video Mastery, where I teach people on how to edit audio and video like a pro. This is my background. I have produced over 20,000 radio commercials with my team together to this day. This is where I got started 2 decades ago, actually, more or less as an on and offline entrepreneur, I would say. And the other course that I created was Daily List Profits, where I teach people how to make $100 per day online. Now what I did is I actually had to write sales copy, video sales letter, and so on. So this is a much better way to get started, in my opinion. It's totally free to get started with, and all you have to do is upload your course, more or less, and Udemy will help you to promote it afterwards there, as soon as you have uploaded the course there. And if you get started here on Udemy, you can search for anything at all that you can imagine. There are so many opportunities here that you can get started. People are hungry to learn a lot of things, information. Of course, that's why they come in the first place online, and they do save themselves a lot of time to go here and learn specific things. Look at this, for example, here. Let's go the ultimate drawing course, for example. You can see here 76,000 people has enrolled in this course, and it sells for $12 here. So imagine what this person has made here. All right, we have a look at this Microsoft Excel, something really simple, $12 for this course, and we have 87,000 people that has enrolled here. A lot of money that you can earn here, that you can earn on udemy.com. Now a tip here is, when you have created your online course, which is super easy to do, you can actually upload it on other sites like Skillshare.com, for example, and there is Teachable, and there is other sites there as well that you can upload the course. So once you have your original work done there, you can upload it on other sites there, so you can earn more money with it. Now another way of teaching is to become a tutor. You can teach English online, for example, here, VIP Kid Teachers. You can earn up to $22 per hour, but you can also be a tutor in overall for anything. Can be solving math problems or something like that. Chegg is this site here where I am right now. So they do have a lot of tutor jobs also available here. But you can, of course, just do research, just Google it, tutoring, and so on, and you will definitely find more sites that you can apply for. All right, let's move on to the final opportunity here, and that is to become a freelancer in overall. If you come here to peopleperhour.com, this is one great site that has a lot of freelance jobs, I would say, in overall. I just typed call center here to give you an example, but let's go for a virtual assistant. Okay, if I type virtual assistant, and let's see here. Let's go in all categories, but you can search here, for example, for writing and so on there. But look at this. I need virtual assistant experts. This is in euros. It is approximately around $85 here. This is $100. Virtual assistant for business portfolio project. Virtual assistant for $250 approximately here. And you just go inside and see and check out all the details here and see if you can apply for it. Now what I would recommend you to do is sign up to a few of these sites actually. Go in on a daily basis, see what you can apply for, bid low in the beginning until you get a good reputation. When you get a good reputation, people want to hire you definitely if you are good at your job there, and you will get more and more jobs. So that is how it works. Another site is freelancer.com. You can see I did the same here. I just typed, let's say, for example, data entry here online. $135 here. There are 69 bids. So if you go and bid here, for example, $100, I can do this job. You can see it's data processing, could be Excel or whatever. You can definitely get the job there. All right. So you see that there is tons of opportunities here as well. Another site is also upwork.com. you have here now 3 sites already, which is freelance sites, and there are so many things that you can apply for here. And finally, I would say Fiverr.com. You can see here I just typed transcription. If I open this up, for example, you can see here there is over 1,000 people that has actually trusted this lady here with this gig here. And it's not only about $5, because let's say, for example, that you have 25 minutes, it will increase to 14. This is $15, and for 1 hour this lady charges 33. This is approximately around $40 here. So I mean, you can apply for anything. Okay, let's take something really simple here, video editing, for example. I will make video editing of 360 videos. You can see it starts for $100 here, $125, $30, and so on. So there are no limits. Really, one of the best ways to work from home is to become any kind of freelancer. It depends, of course, a little bit on your skills here, but you can also apply for simple like data entry jobs and so on there. So there you have it, 7+. I think I share some more opportunities here actually on the real work from home jobs that pay $100 per day or more. Now, as I said in the beginning, I do have my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business. You find it right here below in the description, so make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.